Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, we are going to learn on how to test a smoke detector at home. This is a battery operated standalone smoke detector based detector to have at home. So guys, watch step by step until the end. Don't skip anything guys, so that you'll be able to learn on how to test a smoke detector guys. So welcome back again. It's your boy Walter Obuya. So guys, here we have a backup battery, and this is the detector base and the detector itself. So now guys, first you need to put the battery inside. This is the battery, and the specification for battery is CR123A, 3 volts. Do not recharge. So warning guys, fire explosion and severe burn hazard. Do not recharge, crash, disable, heat above 100 degrees. So guys, now you have to, the battery has the cathode and anode terminal, so you need to put it correctly. See guys, the negative part and the positive part. Now you put it correctly here. Push. After pushing, it has a base. You turn it clockwise guys. See guys, it has fitted. Now it has a switch here. If you want to test it, you just press here. See guys, you press here guys. Siga. So that is it, what we had today to test together guys. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Today we are just testing the smoke detector, the standalone smoke detector guys. If you have enjoyed this video guys, please like it, turn the notification bell, so that guys, once we upload videos like this, you will be the first person to watch it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you are new, please consider subscribing. Also turn notification bell. Subscribe now guys. What is it guys? Subscribe. See you in the next video guys. Bye.